There it is. We're on Instagram and YouTube. Awesome. So we are live on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube right now. And I am here with Dr. Jennifer Cruz. And I am so excited to talk to you about her today because I just did an amazing interview with her. And she is just such a badass. And her practice is called Eastern Acupuncture and Wellness. She's an acupuncturist and she treats women's health. And so I just want to welcome you to the Please Me Live and just have you say a few things about yourself.
Well, I'm so excited to be here. Thank you so much. We had an amazing interview and really excited to share with your listeners all of the incredible benefits of acupuncture, East Asian medicine, herbal medicine, and all the ways that we can empower them to have their best quality of life.
Absolutely. And with that quality of life, we're talking about all of the things that affect us as women, right? Our menstrual cycles, fertility, our sexuality, all of those things. And acupuncture can be a really great adjunct to helping your body be healthy in all of those arenas. Do you want to just touch upon that real quick?
Absolutely. Yes, as I shared earlier, acupuncture can absolutely help to regulate our hormones by creating circulation of blood flow and reducing inflammation in the body. And in turn, by regulating our menstruations, we're going to be happier, we're going to be healthier, we're going to have less inflammation, we're going to have less anxiety and stress and all the things that come along with the emotions that could transpire when we are not in, when our hormones aren't regulated, and the things that come with during regular menstruating years to perimenopause, to postmenopause, to fertility, and everything in between.
And it's so important to really support your health throughout all of the phases of your life. And we talked about all of those things today. And I definitely feel like we have to have a part two because there were more things that we even, didn't even get into. But that will definitely have to happen again sometime soon because you are such a wealth of information. And I really just truly enjoyed talking to you about all of the ways that you support women and you do philanthropic work too. So can you just tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, well, during COVID, a lot of our patients lost their health insurance. A lot of our veterans couldn't get back into the VA for new authorization. So um, we created our nonprofit to promote accessibility and affordability of East Asian medicine by empowering physicians throughout the community to provide these services at low cost. So AcuMantras is currently in Plantation in Wilton Manors, Florida, and we have a community clinic, $35 or less to educate on acupuncture and provide these services. So if you or anybody you know is, or anybody that's listening would like to try it, it's a great way to kind of get an experience and then you can take it into a primary care setting.
I love that. And, so $35, I mean, what a great way to be introduced to acupuncture. And I know that for me, when I first was introduced to acupuncture, I would go to an acupuncture school and be treated by the students. And that was such an incredible experience because the professors who were also master acupuncturists were also treating you as well. So that I love this concept of really allowing people, that may not have the means to, spend as much money, or maybe their insurance doesn't cover acupuncture, to really try the services and see how they help. And just to put it out there, because this is how Dr. Cruz's treatment helped me the one day that I've so far been a customer of hers, right? A patient of hers, is that she gave me a treatment the day after I started my period. And the first day of my period, the day before I got my treatment, I had taken 12 Advil. And I talk about this in the show, right? And the next day, I was having a lot of cramps. I had a headache, and she gave me a treatment, and I did not have to take any medication that entire day. And nor did I have any pain or a headache. I felt so much better after her treatment, and it is just an incredible way to help regulate your body. So thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing your experience.
Yes. And so if that's you out there and you want to try acupuncture, I definitely recommend that you find a practitioner near you. Or if you're in Florida, by all means, check out Dr. Jennifer Cruz because she is incredible. So, on that note, I just want to say thank you so much for being on the show today. And I can't wait till this episode comes out so that all of my listeners can listen to all of the wealth of information that you have to share.
Thank you so much.
All right, until next time.